Good morning students. We are completed the sexual reproduction of flowering plants. We are going to see that the reproduction in human being. Here we are see that the male reproductive system and some of the contraceptive devices which are helpful to prevent the pregnancy. These two questions we are going to be read today. Reproductive system means we have to see that the diagram. We have to start from the testis. Testis is the male reproductive organ. It is surrounded by one bag that is called as scrotum. Scrotum is helpful to sperm formation. It reduces the body temperature than the our human body temperature. -2 degrees centigrade lower than the our body temperature. Our body temperature is 98.6 to 98.8. This body temperature is our normal body temperature always. The scrotum will provide the temperature lower than that. 2 degrees centigrade lower temperature than our body temperature is maintained by the scrotum. This is helpful for the sperm production. Here one tube-like structure is there that is called as vas deferens. From this only the sperm will be produced and transported towards the urethra. Testis is helpful to produce sperm as well as the male hormone that is called as testosterone. These two are the main function of testis. Sperm production and the male sex hormone production are the two function of testis. Sperm production over means through this vas deferens, the sperm will be transported towards the urethra. Urethra is the common passage for urine and sperm, and it is connected with the male external genitalia that is called as penis. Penis is helpful for copulation. In association of two glands are there. One is prostate gland, and here we find out small bead-like structure that is called as seminal vesicle. This gland is called as prostate gland. This is called as seminal vesicle. These two glands are helpful to secrete one fluid that is called as semen. S-E-M-E-N, semen. Semen is nothing but it is a white viscous fluid. It contains protein, fructose and some of the minerals. These fluid helpful for the nourishment of sperm. Nourishment of sperm as well as the activation of sperm. These two are the important function that is done by this semen. That's all about the male reproductive system. You have to write about scrotum, you have to write about the testis, you have to write about the vas deferens, you have to write about the prostate gland and seminal vesicle, what is the function of urethra, what is the function of penis. These all label, you have to label in the diagram and you have to explain. Then we come to the second question that is called as contraceptive devices. Contraceptive devices are nothing but some artificial devices are helpful to prevent pregnancy. That is called as contraceptive device. In Tamil we have to say means karuthadai sadhanangal. 5 different types of contraceptive devices are in human. One is called as barrier method. Second one is called as surgical method, hormonal method, IUCD, chemical method. Barrier method means some apparatus or act as a barrier. For example, cervical caps and condoms. Cervical caps and condoms are helpful to prevent the entry of sperm into the female reproductive tract. So, by barrier method, the sperm transportation become prevented. You have to write about the devices name, cervical caps and condom. Then surgical method means two surgical methods are there, vasectomy and tubectomy. Vasectomy means cut off the vas deferens. Cut off the vas deferens. So what happens means the transportation of sperm from the testis towards the urethra become prevented. It is done in male only, vasectomy. Tubectomy for female. The oviduct become cut off. So ovum or egg does not be come to the urinary path or the vagina. So ovum oviduct, so there is no fertilization. It is for only female. Vasectomy and tubectomy are the two surgical methods. They are operated and cut off, so only the transportation of the gamete become prevented. That is called as surgical method. By operation they are controlled. Hormonal method means oral pills are there. Oral pills mean tablets. When one individual, whether male or female, take this oral pills mean the hormone secretion needed for fertilization become prevented. The secretion becomes stopped or less secretion become there. What are the hormones are there? Male contains testosterone. Female contains estrogen and progesterone. These three hormones are prevented when one individual take this oral pills. The hormone secretion become prevented. So only we are say this method as a hormonal method. Then IUCD, intrauterine contraceptive device. IUCD expansion is intrauterine contraceptive device. Here we use copper T. Copper T, it is used in the uterus of the female. When this copper T is fixed in the female uterus means implantation become prevented. What is the meaning of implantation? When fertilization over means the zygote come to the uterus and they are fixed in the uterine wall. So what happened? The copper T prevents the implantation of the embryo in the uterine wall. So there is no pregnancy. That method is called as intrauterine contraceptive device. Then chemical method means spermicide. The name itself we can find out the meaning. Spermicide. Sperm killed by this chemical that is called as spermicide. When this spermicide is applied in the female genital organ mean the sperm when enter inside the vagina means it will be killed. So there is no fertilization. That chemical is called as spermicide. Through the chemical it will helpful to avoid the pregnancy. So this is called as chemical method. Name of the chemical is or name of the cream is spermicide. It will kill the sperm. So contraceptive devices are 5: barrier method, surgical method, hormonal method, intrauterine contraceptive device in the name of copper T, chemical method by using of spermicides. These 5 important methods are helpful to prevent pregnancy in human. This question is named as explain about the different types of contraceptive devices. These 2 questions are coming under 5 mark question. You have to read and write. Suppose this question may be asked as a 3 mark question or 1 mark question or 2 mark question. Otherwise it will be asked as a 5 mark question also. So you have to write these 2 questions today. Thank you.